Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's class, we will discuss about liberty, equality, justice, power, influence, authority, legitimacy, rights, duties, political culture, participation, development, and political modernization. So, let's see. Liberty. The term liberty comes from the Latin word liber, which means free. There are mainly two types of liberty: positive liberty and negative liberty. In positive liberty means the state creates condition for a good life. Negative liberty is the freedom from interference from others. Gandhi says liberty does not mean the absence of restraint, but it lies in development of liberty. Law is a condition for liberty. Next is equality. Liberty and equality are the two pillars of democracy. Social equality means no one in a society is entitled to special privileges. Third, those who argue for equality of men are called egalitarians. Next term is justice. The word justice has been derived from the Latin word junger, meaning to bind or to tie together. Salman says justice means to distribute the due share to everybody. Next is power. Power is defined as the ability to influence the behavior of others. Now, our next term is influence. Influence is the ability of a person to convince other people. Next term is authority. Authority refers to the use of power that is seen as legitimate or socially approved. Traditional authority comes from long established customs, habits, and social structures. Next term is rights. Rights can be broadly categorized into two types: natural rights and legal rights. The four kinds of rights are natural, legal, human, and moral. John Locke introduced the concept of natural rights. Next term is political culture. Political culture refers to the shared beliefs, values, attitude, and behavior that shaped political culture. Next term is political participation. It is not only related to right to vote, but simultaneously relates to participation in decision making process, political activism, political consciousness, etc. Next term is political development. Political development can be defined as an increase in national political unity and an increase in political participation. Next term is political modernization. The process of transformation from a pre-modern traditional polity to a post-traditional modern polity is called political modernization. Next term is legitimacy. The right and acceptance of an authority, as usually a governing law or a regime, is called legitimacy. Laws are based on ethical principles and societal expectations. Next term is duties. A duty is a legal requirement in political science. Rights and duties are inextricably linked. Like, as a member of a society or a state, the individual is required to uphold this type of societal commitment. Means they are opposite sides of the same coins.